In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Shopify UK. Setting up a robust shipping strategy is essential for any online store as it directly influences your customers' experience and satisfaction. Let's walk through the entire process together, ensuring you have a seamless setup tailored to your business needs. To start, log into your Shopify account and tap the Settings tab located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Within Settings, you'll find several options but hone in on Shipping and Delivery. This section is your hub for all things shipping related. Here, you'll see options to manage rates, carriers, and delivery options, making it essential to take some time to familiarize yourself with its layout. Next, you'll need to define the shipping zones, which are geographic areas that you are willing to ship to. To add a new zone, simply click on Manage Rates under the appropriate shipping profile. Consider where your customers are mainly located: the UK, Europe, and beyond. Having clear zones helps manage expectations and costs effectively. Within each shipping zone, you'll be assigning specific rates that can vary based on order weight or price, giving you the ability to offer free shipping over a specific amount or charge based on the speed of delivery. Once your zones are ready, it's time to set up your shipping rates. Rates can be straightforward or tailored complexly based on your business model. You can choose between price-based or weight-based criteria to suit how you envision managing shipping fees. Remember, this is also where you can add value to your customers with free shipping promotions. After configuring the basic rates, explore the Carrier Calculated Rates option, ideal if you plan to work with carriers that have integrated APIs with Shopify. This feature automatically calculates live shipping rates at checkout, presenting your customers with real-time shipping options from your chosen provider, such as Royal Mail or DHL. Another excellent feature within the Shopify shipping setup is the local delivery option, particularly useful if you're catering to a nearby audience. Enabling local delivery allows you to set specific delivery radii from your business location, and tailor delivery fees and conditions accordingly. Don't forget to toggle local pickup, too, if you offer that service. This is a win-win, as it could further enhance the buying experience by reducing wait times and shipping costs for local customers. Finally, don't overlook the importance of the custom shipping rules for specific products. Some items might require special handling or sizing, requiring distinct shipping conditions. Navigate to the product page to adjust these settings as necessary, ensuring alignment with customer expectations. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll confidently set up a shipping framework in Shopify UK. Take the time to revisit and adjust these settings as your business grows and evolves. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify store.